Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a very realistic, easy, simple way of writing your vision board that worked for me in 2024 and I have applied for my vision board for 2025. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it I talk about. I always like to hear from you guys. I like to hear your opinions. I like to hear what you want to see on this channel. Now let's get right into today's video. I wrote my vision board in 24 and most of it honestly came to pass. So I have some outstanding things that didn't come to pass, and those were mainly due to indiscipline, and I have held myself accountable to know that I was indisciplined, and I intend to work on those in 2025. So I know there's so many videos on the internet, giving you ways and tips, and I just found that this is the way that has worked for me. Simple, easy peasy. So the Bible talks about making the vision plain, making it clear in Habakkuk. In the book of Habakkuk talks about make the vision clear, make it plain if I wouldn't bring it to pass. So there's something about writing your vision. There's something about writing what you want to see in your life. It's not just the Christian spiritual aspect. It's just the physical, mental aspect that reminds you that you need to do this. So what I found is when I write stuff down, eventually it tends to happen in my life, as opposed to when I don't write, stuff down. I write a lot. If you see my notes on my iPhone, I literally write everything I want to do or everything I'm thinking about on my note. Now, I have everything on my phone. That's why I'm looking at my phone. The first thing I did in 2024 was, I went on Pinterest. So I don't do the very complicated ways that everyone's doing it, and everyone's different, and we all have different ways. As I said, this is a way that I have tried. It's worked for me, and I'm sure will work for you too. So I went to Pinterest. One of the goals of my vision board is, fasting more, spiritual fast. So I would go on Pinterest and find a picture relating to that. I would take that picture up and I would make an album on my phone. I made an album on my phone and call it 2025 Vision Board, and I'll put the album there. I'll put the picture there. So say for instance, I wanted to drink more water. So I'm currently drinking 2.5 liters of water, and I've done that all through this year. Every day I've been in my house, I've drank 2.5 liters of water. At least every day, maybe once or twice the entire year. But maybe say when I go on holiday, I always take a break and just, I try to get out of routines so that I have that break, right? So every time I've been in my house, my place of base, I have had 2.5 liters of water, say 1-2 days. So now I'd get a picture, relating to that, and I would put it in the album. Remember, we've made an album called 2025 Vision Board. So, whatever it is, I'll find the pictures relating to that or explaining that and put it on my album for 2025. Now I would then make this my screensaver on my phone. So this is a new iPhone. I just got the new iPhone some weeks ago. That's why all the settings have been messed up. But what I did all through 2024 was I took a screenshot of everything and I put it on my screen. And seeing this every day when I wake up, because I do everything on my phone, I read my Bible on my phone, everything reminds me of what I need to do. Another thing I did was I wrote it down. So say I wanted to reach a certain weight at a certain time, I would write it down. So when I hit a weekly goal, say maybe I lost 2 kg, I'll keep taking it out. So I'll go to the part of the notes and take it out. Say I wrote a goal that I wanted to drink 2.5 liters of water, and I did that consistently for like 3 months. I will go to the notes and take it out. That gives me a sense of fulfillment that I am actually achieving my goals. So whatever goal I'm constantly hitting and that has become a routine in my life, I go on there and take it out. So for example, you could say I want to pay off XYZ 10k debt. Maybe you do that by June 2025. When you do that, you go on, you take it out. And then seeing that reduced list. So that's what I did all the year. So I wrote everything and I kept taking out. And honestly, I did take out, I would say 80%. Now, the ones I didn't take out were, one, as I said, indiscipline was a big part of it, and I have to repair that in 2025. And 2, new goals came up in the middle of the year. So for example, I had a goal to hit 50 countries by the end of 2024. Now that changed because a lot of things happened. I had to change jobs unexpectedly. I've talked about this on my other videos. A lot of other changes happened. It's not just about those changes. My desires also changed with time. So I went and amended that, and by the end of the year 2024, I hit 41 countries instead of 50. So that's fine because that goal changed. right? So when goals change or you achieve a certain goal or you reach a certain place, I would go on there and take it off the list. So that gives me the sense of I'm achieving something and it makes me want to take more off the list. And I found that by the end of 2024, I've taken a lot out. As I pointed out, I did say I did not reach a goal. Example of a goal I did not reach was my weight loss goals. One of the reasons I didn't reach it was because I did a lot of traveling at the start of the year, and that affected my eating. So as I said, I would summarize that as indiscipline. I'm now carrying that over to next year, or I've now carried that over to 2025, where I would not be working on that. So when you have this sense, first of all, you're seeing the screenshots on your phone, remember that. So you remember that, you know, this is what you need to be doing, that's what you want to be doing, etc, etc. You're also taking off the notes. So it's the notes on the iPhone. You know, I'm sure it's similar to other phones. So I have an iPhone. So this is what my iPhone looks like, and this is what the notes on my iPhone looks like. So I'm taking that off, putting that off and writing it down. So let me know, are you clear on this? Do you understand this? Do you think that this is an easy way? This is such an easy way that has worked for me. This is something that I see as I go, as I'm on the go. So guys, let me know, is this a practical way of doing things? What do you think about this method? How do you write your vision board? I want to learn. As I said, I always want to learn from you guys. You know, this has worked for me in 2024 and I'm taking it over to 2025. So let me know in the comments. You know, I'm sure other people want to learn as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, engage with me, and I'll see you in my next video. I know I said that before. Thank you. Bye.